Ayaraya is one of the highly valued Nsukka local dish. Nsukka people love it. If you're from Nsukka, you know what I am saying. Don't joke with Ayaraya. Ayaraya Nsukka to the world. You get it. This is Ayaraya G, and I'll guide you step by step on how I made this. I made this with black beans and yam. So I first started by selecting the black beans, removing the stone from the black beans. After that, I washed it severally and put it inside pot. Put enough water that will be enough to cook the beans. After that, then I cover the pot and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I come back to put the yam. So I have to wash the yam and then put it inside the black beans. Akidi. You can use this type of akidi. You can use the akidi that is very black. Any of them is very okay. You can also decide to use fiofio, pigeon beans, agbogbo. You can decide to put the yam inside the black beans and cook together just like I'm doing here, or you cook yam separate. So I covered the pot and cooked for 30 minutes and went back to check it. So I only cooked for just 30 minutes because it is akede, black beans. But if it is fiofio, you have to cook for almost 40 minutes, 45 minutes, or even 1 hour, depending on how strong it is. So this is the akede. It is done just 30 minutes. So I have to remove the akede, filter the water from it, and put it inside this sieve. Then proceed to another level, which is cutting the yam into smaller pieces. And this is part of what made it ayaraya. You can decide to use mortar and pound it, but I personally like this type of cutting it into smaller pieces. I used leather to cover my hand. This is to make it not to go bad quick because yam and beans or even fiofio always go bad quick. But with this, it will still be good even after a long time. After that, I proceed to prepare the African oil bean, opaka or oba, depending on what different people call it in different Igbo language. We call it a opaka. Then cut the onion that I'll use and dry the pots and start putting fresh oil, palm oil. You cannot make ayaraya without palm oil. So I didn't fry the palm oil very well while making ayaraya. You don't need to fry the oil too much. Just 20 seconds is okay. And I put the chopped onion and then salt. I added another salt. This is if the need be, depending on the size of food you're cooking. Then I used 1 cube of Maggi. Then pieces it and put it inside. Maggi is a matter of choice. Some make it without putting any Maggi, but if you like Maggi, you can just use 1 cube and it will come out very nice. After that, I added grounded pepper. I use grounded pepper because that is what I have here with me right now, but you can use fresh pepper. Fresh pepper is the best, especially when you use this yellowish Nsukka, which will give it a very nice aroma. Then the next I added the Opaka African oil bean. Ayaraya and Opaka always go together. In fact, they are just like twins. You cannot cook Ayaraya missing Opaka. You have to add it inside your Ayaraya. After that, I have to turn it, and now it is time to add the Akidi black beans. So I added it, and next the yam, which I've cut into smaller pieces. I have to start turning everything together frying your oil, not frying too much, will give it this color. But when you fry too much, you won't get this color. Ayaraya Nsukka, that well-valued Nsukka local food is ready now. Dish out and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Love you.